Hi everyone, and welcome to another video of Linux for absolutely beginners. My name is Tia from DevOps Easy Learning, and today we'll be going through what is the difference between the root user and the regular user in Linux, right? As you guys can see here, we have something in Linux called a root user. Another one is called a regular user. A regular user in Linux is maybe a user that does not have a privilege to do everything. When we say privilege here in IT world, it stands for permission, right? And the root user or the administrator user basically have the privilege to do everything in Linux, right? That means when somebody is a root in Linux, he basically have permission to do everything. And when you are logging, let us see in terms of logging. When you log in as a regular user, you are going to see a $sign in front of your prompt. And when you log in as a root user, you are going to see a £sign in front of your prompt, right? And as soon as if you have this, like this £sign in front of your prompt, it means you are a regular user. As a regular user, you basically have limited permission. There are some stuff that you cannot do. You cannot install package, you cannot install, you cannot create, delete users, and so on, right? But if you are a root user, we also call this user a power user or a super user in Linux, right? And when you are a super user or a power user or admin user, it means you can do every single thing in Linux, right? Let me kind of log in here and show you guys what I mean. If you go ahead and kind of exit out and connection closed, let me log in into one of our servers here, and this will be server 4. Now we'll go ahead here and kind of type my password, and I am getting in. When I would log in, right, by default, I'm going to be a regular user. As you guys can see, that is my prompt that is blinking, and in front of my prompt, I have something called a $sign. That $sign means right now I'm logging as a regular user on this server. And if you type pwd, you guys can see that my home directory, it is in /home, my username. Now I can switch now because I have the permission, I have the privilege to switch to a root user. And if you type sudo and just say -i, that's the way that you do it. Hit enter here, it will ask for my password. And if I have the proper permission in the sudo file, that is something that you guys might not understand. But if you want to understand how the sudo file works, please let me know in the comment below, and I will go ahead and create another video and explain how to properly manage use the sudo file to assign a proper permission, right, to a specific user or to a group. Now let me go ahead and type my password here. As you guys can see, as I am in the sudo file, it will go ahead and kind of change, and right now I am a root. And if you type pwd, you guys can see that my home directory, it is /root, and also my prompt have changed, right? I have changed from what, a $sign to a £sign, which means I am a root user, I am a power user here, I am an administrator here, I can do everything in Linux. I can even destroy this Linux now. But when you are a regular user, you can just create file, you can create directory, you can do little stuff, but you cannot do stuff that need elevated privilege. That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment below. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so, right? And also, please do not forget to follow us on social media such as Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and so on. Thank you. Bye-bye.